I am here today with a pair of scissors with a really exciting video. It is an unboxing of the Goodwill Bluebox vintage lot that I just bought. If you don't know, Dalton at the Florida Flipper, who I'll link down below, has been working now at Goodwill. He is the person who's in charge of putting these vintage blue boxes together. Basically, you can pay $49.95 for 10 pieces of randomly selected, or should I say hand-selected vintage from Dalton. Then there's more. You can do another price. It goes up from there and you can, I think, get, I'm not sure exactly, but you can get more. But the lowest one you can get is $49 for 10 pieces, which is what I did. Dalton at the Florida Flipper has amazing taste in vintage. He has been posting on his Instagram stories. I told him I was buying one. I'm hoping maybe he tried to put a few extra good things in there for me. He always likes to put a few grails in each box and then the rest is gravy or whatever he says. So I'm going to be opening it for the first time. Here's my box. This is going to be live reactions of what I'm reacting to in the box. Before I get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like anything vintage, reseller, thrifting, or eco-friendly fashion content related. Now you see why I have scissors. I hope I'm opening it from the right way. Okay, all right. So I have a letter, it says thank you. Oh! Share an unboxing or a picture in your new gear on Instagram, tag us, and we'll send you a discount code for your next order. I will be doing that. All right, so first of all, we have this women's sweater. It is patterned teal. Is it like a tunic length maybe? It's a size small. There are a few spots on the back right there. That is the first item. Probably not something I would have picked, but still very sellable. And I didn't say this before, but these things I'm going to be either listing online to sell or putting in my booth at the store I'm opening with my friend, Trunk Show, Raleigh. This looks very cool. This, ooh, very neat. Rose Bowl 1998 Michigan Wolverines sweatshirt. Crew neck. Very cool. Love sports stuff. That looks like it's in pretty much perfect condition. Very happy with that. Ooh, another really good crew neck sweatshirt. Hard Rock stuff is, for some reason, people like that. Looks like there's just some dust or something on it. I'm obviously gonna wash all this stuff. As far as I'm aware, it's stuff that's at the bins that is not, I don't know if it's gone out to the floor yet and come back or what, but it has to do with being at the Goodwill outlet. I always wash my stuff before I resell it. I know that not everybody does that, but I wash or dry clean everything unless it's new with tags. I would recommend you do the same, just to be kind. So this is the Hard Rock shirt. Has a flame Hard Rock Las Vegas hotel, giving me Harley Davidson vibes. Oh wow, this is a t-shirt. I'm trying to figure out what it means. In the Lost, it has, is that Marilyn Monroe? In the Lost, I'm gonna just say in the Lost 400 times. F-F-F-I-F. Okay, got it. In the Lost 50s. And I do believe that's Marilyn Monroe and some old classic car. Very retro and very cool. I like this. I would have picked that up. Have another t-shirt, also very cool. I can't read, obviously. S-C-H-E-R-I-N-G. Shearing? It's a shirt that says Shearing, Miami, and there are some flamingos and palm trees. This very 80s triangle design. Oh! Dalton, did you include this Samsung phone? That looks like it's been chewed up by a dog. I did not know I would have some hard goods. I think there's more than 10 things in here. This is another word I can't read. Oh my God, Super Bowl. This is a Super Bowl shirt from 1991. The Super Bowl was in Tampa and it is the Buffalo Bills. Awesome sports stuff, I promise you. It's good. This is a shirt from the 56 National Water Ski Championships in West Palm Beach. A very colorful back. It looks like it's never been worn, although there are definitely some deodorant stains on it. which I'm sure that will come out. This is a quilted crew neck red sweatshirt. It's a little bit of patchwork looking quilting. This is very exciting because if you have been paying attention to trends in the fashion world, quilted items are really popular right now, and like especially quilted athleisure. So that's actually really on point. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is really cool. This is a Champion, I guess would it be like a bomber jacket? It's thick and heavy. It's got the Champion logo. It's almost kind of like a Letterman's jacket style, the green in the middle. Then there's like a faux suede. Has elbow patches. Champion is super popular. That's awesome. Oh my God, I'm dying. I'm dying. It's a size large and that's awesome. Thank you. Now this is why I was saying I was dying, because I'm just a dork and I love Care Bears. This is a Care Bears ringer tee. Like totally 90s. It's an extra large, so maybe it was a kid's. I don't know. This is some like rave wear right there. That's super cute. And I think once it's clean, it'll look great. Oh my God. Okay, this is awesome. Fiorucci, I don't know. Am I saying that right?
Fiorucci, Italian.
Fiorucci! I do believe that's a good brand. It's an iconic Italian brand. Fiorucci! Fiorucci! This has those little cherubs, super 90s. So funny that I just bought that cherub wall hanging for my house that my husband hates, by the way. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. This is so cool. I love this. 100%. Yes, love it. Oh my God, dying. Gosh, okay, so then we have this very cool LL Bean cardigan. That is very Coogee vibes. This is very cool. That is by LL Bean, size medium. Then we have a Toy Story hat, which has seen better days. I'm not sure. There's a lot of helping that one. And Goosebumps book, R.L. Stine, Attack of the Jack-o'-lanterns. I don't remember having this one. See that textured Goosebump title up there on the top? That's iconic. Including the phone in the book, which were shocking finds. So that's 15 items that I got. So I don't know if that's normal to get a few extra, but I am overjoyed. I think this was definitely worth $49.99. Can easily make that back. I would buy one of these again. I think it's really good since I'm opening a physical location that it's just, if you need stuff, it's a great way to get inventory and not have to pick it out so much yourself. I would obviously, like I said, recommend still cleaning it. And yay, I'm very happy. I'm gonna be listing some of this online, some of it will be in my booth, and that's the wrap. That's it, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to go follow the Florida Flipper and make sure you're following him on Instagram because he's always posting stuff about these blue boxes. Also, follow Goodwill Bluebox. Last I saw, they were doing like a giveaway for one of the $100 boxes, so get in on that. I mean, what else is there to say?